On today's episode of what supercar we spot at this detailing spot is Ferrari, California. And that's probably one of the special edition ones just because of the little side fenders it has. Or the little gills. Or actually it might not be a California. I don't know. I think it is a California though. Yo, what up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And man, my gym opened up again, and I don't know why, but I just did biceps like 2 days ago and my body's still sore. Like, if anything, my biceps actually hurt, like not in a good way. Like they hurt. I can't even like stretch it out without actually physically hurting. And I just went to Dutch Bros last night. I got home kind of late. It was worth it though. I didn't know that we got In-N-Out too, and you could get toasted buns on your In-N-Out. So I can't go back. I always have to get toasted buns now. Gotta represent In-N-Out. But right now I'm actually going to the gym again. I don't know if this makes sense, but I feel super sore, like where it's painful. So maybe if I work out, it might stretch my muscles out. I'm not gonna do too much heavy lifting. But I do want to do back and shoulders, so let's get that. And then I'm meeting up with Rodolfo there, so I'm gonna ask him if he's gonna want to go get the my headers welded, which is that's gonna be the title of the video. Getting my headers welded. So yeah, I'll catch up with you guys once I'm done with the workout. So shout out to Yaris, Shangus, my bad, mufflers. They welded it, and only one of them had a crack, but I just welded two, and then the dude ended up welding all four of them. So he hooked it up. The welds aren't as good as the Tomei ones, but obviously it's a robot doing the welds versus a human doing it, and it looks good. It's stable, it's gonna hold, no leaks, and it was only $70. So he originally was gonna charge me $70 for two, but he ended up doing all four for $70. So he hooked it up. It's still really hot, so hopefully it doesn't melt anything or burn anything. Alright, so there's two O2 sensors.
Oh, you have the socket, right?
Yeah. So we got
the socket too. You could just ask me.
Oh really? Well, I bought it on Prime Day. It was like $5, like $4. Yeah.
I have one.
Yeah, cool. So we take out these two. One connects there. The other one connects over there. So we're just gonna unplug them because those bolts are okay too. Do what you gotta do with them. So we gotta remove these three bolts right here on this side. 1, 2, 3. There's one in the middle between here.
Do you have a ratchet, like a 14mm I could use here just to ratchet it out instead?
Oh yeah, I do.
You do?
Rescue. There you go. Don't get my mallet dirty though.
Sorry, boss.
This shit was expensive. It was like $3. I recommend getting one of these. It's made it oil change so much faster. And come on, Rodolfo. You were lifting 50s earlier.
I know, but it's just an awkward angle.
I have like expired WD-40. It didn't work, so we're just.
Why'd you tell me to bring some WD?
I told you I need. Oh, I don't know. I didn't think I needed WD-40. Bro, let me borrow his tool, so shout out to him. He's struggling. He's struggling.
This one's too stiff. Yeah, I gotta use my arm.
Ooh, peanut muscles. Damn.
40 pounds.
Damn, look at that farmer's tan.
Ready?
Oh, yeah, get your Filipino.
Asian power.
Asian power.
Sorry, American power.
America. So these are the gaskets.
And didn't you throw skull burger?
It's alright.
Are you recording? Fuck.
Yeah. Damn, look how grimy this shit is. These are the old ones, and I got the Grim Speed ones in there. And these is the Grim Speed gaskets, and then those are the headers right there, and the welds and stuff, whatever. What do you think the weight difference is?
That one was heavier?
I know.
No, because this is awkward. I can't like grab it.
Yeah.
This one seems like it is lighter.
Like a little bit lighter?
My like I would say, to be honest, maybe like 5 pounds.
Like
max.
5 pounds. Yeah,
Max.
I mean, I thought it was gonna be titanium with steel.
Yeah, 5 pounds max. I think it's just the shield and everything, but
Yeah.
I don't like oh shit.
Wait,
Yeah,
so
it's
the
like
only
drastically.
good thing about this is that it doesn't have restriction
It's high
anymore?
flow.
Yeah,
basically.
high
That's
flow,
it.
and then unequal length. So it's more acceleration than in the lower RPMs.
So we're gonna transfer the oxygen sensors to that guy
Yeah. So let's
right now,
do
right?
that. Yeah.
Before, okay.
Thanks for your help, Luis.
You got it, brother.
There you go. All right, wait, let's make sure we put it on the right.
Yeah, put it on there.
All right.
Life is a race.
Alright, we're just gonna slowly.
Oh.
We're doing a...
There we go.
So we're gonna go to give a good snug. I'll let
Oh
you
no,
snug
let's
it.
take those off first.
Let's take this bad boy off first.
Wait, how much did you spend on yours?
What?
Your socket?
$2.
Oh. I spent like $5.
103.
Here.
Okay, so we put the headers. It was a bitch to put on. Where are the O2 sensors at? Okay, so this is one, and then obviously gray on gray.
You look like you went to. Like that.
All right, there's a click. Where's the black one?
Luis, what'd you do with the black clip?
Where?
That's right here.
Right there, bro. Why you like Naruto so much? You know, in Mexico, bro, they're fucking shitting on Naruto. Bro. They're like, oh, I just got a tattoo of the best Naruto scene ever. He doesn't have shit.
Oh, they like Naruto
Yeah, they're...
in Mexico.
No, people liked it, but people
Yeah.
were like...
It starts.
It pushed to start. All right, everything's connected. We're checking for exhaust leaks.
You connected already?
Yeah.
The keys right here, bro. Dad.
Oh shit.
Hey, chill, Luis.
All right. Do it slowly.
We're ready?
Yeah.
Oi. No engine light. Just the TPMS.
Yeah. Let's wait for it to drop to the 1,000. Turn it off? Turn it off?
Something
What?
smoking.
Something smoke? Oh, it could be the gaskets.
The gaskets. Well, just making sure, because
Oh yeah, it kind of smells.
Yeah, I smell it.
just to be sure that, nothing gets fucking on
Make sure
fire.
no
'cause-
connectors are touching anything.
Oh yeah.
Nah, bro, it's free.
Oh, it was just the two O2 sensors.
These connect to something, right?
Oh wait,
To
hold
people.
up. Yeah, let me connect them.
Make sure that it don't touch the bottom.
Yeah. So it actually does sound a little bit louder. To me, it doesn't really, I don't really notice a difference, but I feel like it is a little bit louder. So right now we're gonna go to O'Reilly's to dump the oil, and then, oh, awkward, I didn't know he was watching me. So we're gonna go dump the oil right now. I just reset my odometer, or my trip odometer, my A trip odometer. So for my next oil change, okay, so I'm just gonna put you guys right here. Hopefully you guys could hear it. I'm not gonna go too crazy. I'm just gonna go like 3,000 RPMs. And yeah, that's really noticeable. Oh wow, that's actually really loud. Hard to explain it. It's like, okay, I'm trying to comprehend it. It's super hard to explain because it almost sounds like it's a little bit raspy, like a little third. But I don't think I have an exhaust leak. I'm gonna have to go back and check, but it doesn't really sound like one constant flow. But I mean, maybe I'm just like tripping. But like, it does sound like a lot deeper, like, you know, the rumble, that Subi rumble, like now it has it. But there's so much traffic. There's so much traffic, so it's so hard for me to actually like drive like higher RPMs. Obviously I'm not redlining it, but with all this traffic, I'm only going like 2,000 RPMs. I'm at least trying to go like 4 to 5. Mustang doing Mustang thing.
All right, boys. That sounds good. No, it sounds good. It does not sound like a Honda, actually. You do not hear, here you go on, you do not hear that little weird raspy noise outside, for sure. That is good. I see the horses right there while we're waiting for them. Fucking horses, man, that's insane. And cows. What would it be to live in a farm alone? To have horses and cows. Amazing. Oh, I think it moved. It did. There's one. I can hear him coming now. There's one now. Sounds good. What the fuck is that Honda doing though? What? Oh, the cows are mooing. The cows are definitely mooing. Oh yeah, cows are mooing. Let's move to the other side actually. Still recording, right? Yep, I'm still recording. There we go. Still hear it. Oh yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good. Boys, here's a start.
Is it the cow red?
Yeah, that's definitely the cow.
Sounds like they were like he was having like breathing issues.
I don't know. Not my cow. Alright, here we go.
Expensive, man.
Oh yeah. It's got full frontal.
Alright, I'm gonna go up to 2,000 RPM.
Alright, 2,000 RPMs. Ooh, hey.
Was that like?
Yeah, so, yeah.
Alright,
Oh, give me one more time. Oh yeah, it did.
Alright, 3,000 RPM.
Alright. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It sounded more visible at 2. A 2000 is louder. Oh yeah, 2000 is a spot.
Let's try 4000.
All right. Yeah.
Alright, one more time, 5000.
Oh yeah.
That sounds like a Tomei.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we were turning, I was gonna drop off Rodolfo, and this car behind me literally got hit. We were making a turn, and that car right there literally ran it and hit him. Dude, that could have been us. But we're just here to make sure, you know, she's okay. Yeah.